Hey, guys. Welcome to Tech It Simple. In this tutorial, we'll look at how to get your friend's contact information from Facebook. Now, let's begin. Open Facebook if you have not already opened it. Once you have opened Facebook, go to any of your friends' profiles. I'm going to go to my friend Tom Hawkins' profile. Now, when your friend's profile has opened, you will see many things such as About, Friends, Photos, Videos, Check-ins, and others. For now, we'll only focus on the About section. Click on it and scroll down. You will see something like Contact and Basic Info. Click on it. If your friend has uploaded his contact info, it will show up in this section of Contact Info. If not, it will not show here. Since Tom has not uploaded his contact info, it's not showing here. But who knows, one of your friends may have uploaded it, and if he or she has uploaded it, you can see it. Well, that's it for the video, guys. For more informative videos like this, do hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.